Boss, aka the best, man. Check this out, man. A lot of times people get caught up in the rat race, they get caught up in the daily grind. Everybody's just trying to make it. And I get it because everything's about survival. But I tell people all the time, and this is the word of the day, it's not only important to add years to your life, but to add life to your years. So don't get so caught up in, oh, well, maybe one day when I retire, I'll travel. I'll buy that car that I wanted to buy. I'll get that house that I wanted to get, because tomorrow's not promised to anybody. So the reality is that we always got to live in the moment, fully embrace the moment, love the moment, and actually be good to those that are good to you. Because the reality is that, like I said, tomorrow's not promised. So, if you want that car, find a way to get that car, man. You want that dream house that you always been dreaming about? Don't put it off, man. Figure out a way to do it. Whether you want that particular jacket or that particular, whatever it is that you want to make you happy. Life is about being happy, and we can't just put off a parlay happiness, because we don't know what tomorrow holds. So I always say that, take that gem with you, keep it, embrace it. Don't just add years to your life, add life to your years. Every single day, make sure you live it to the fullest. And that's the word of the day.